Let's talk about my sewing room. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm getting a new table. It's coming on Tuesday, so that's why that's all empty, but there's lots of organizational work that's going on, and I'm excited for this room to be done. I got new thread holders that are going to go up on there, and all that stuff is going to go on this wall. There's pegboards coming. Today, I got a new chair. This is my old chair. It has these arms, and they were always in the way, and I've been using it for like 2 years, I think, and I am sick of those arms being in the way. I found this today at the at-home store, and it was on sale, and I love it. And these areas, these boxes are from Target. Those I got from Home Goods, but see, they don't fit as well. I love these, so I'm going to go back and get like 8 more of those. And this room's going to be amazing when it's finished. It just is, taking some time, and I have work to do. So anyway, I just thought I would give you a sewing room tour. I do have another space that I have stuff in, and I'll show you that another day. Right now, it's just packed with stuff. So anyway, look at my new chair.